Once upon a time, in a lively forest full of friendly animals, there was a big annual event that everyone looked forward to, the maze contest. The maze was huge, with tall bushes and twisty paths, and everyone in the forest was excited to see who would find their way through first. Tricky Turtle, known for his clever but mischievous ways, decided he would win the contest this year. "I'm the smartest one here," he thought to himself. "I just need a plan to make sure I don't get lost." As the animals gathered at the starting line, they were given a simple rule: no marking the paths. They had to rely on their memory to win. Tricky Turtle, however, had a sneaky idea. He had brought along a secret bag of breadcrumbs. "I'll just leave a trail of breadcrumbs behind me," he thought. "That way, I can always find my way back if I get lost. No one will even notice." The whistle blew, and all the animals raced into the maze. The rabbit hopped quickly, the fox ran through the paths, and even the little mouse crawled along the bushes. Tricky Turtle, moving at his slow but steady pace, began dropping breadcrumbs behind him as he went. At first, everything seemed to be going according to plan. Tricky Turtle confidently took turns and twists, feeling sure of his cleverness. But little did he know, a flock of hungry birds followed him, eating the breadcrumbs one by one. As Tricky Turtle got deeper into the maze, he decided to turn around and check the breadcrumbs. To his shock, the breadcrumbs were gone. He turned left, then right, but every path looked the same. He was lost. Hours passed, and Tricky Turtle wandered aimlessly. He started to worry, and soon he felt very alone. Meanwhile, Rabbit, Fox, and the little mouse had all found their way out. But Tricky Turtle was nowhere to be seen. "Where could Tricky Turtle be?" asked the rabbit. "He must be lost," said Clever Fox. "Let's go find him." As the animals walked back into the maze, they called out for Tricky Turtle. And soon enough, they found him sitting under a bush, looking sad. "I cheated," Tricky Turtle said when he saw his friends. "I used breadcrumbs to mark my way, but the birds ate them, and now I'm lost." His friends helped him to his feet and guided him out of the maze. When they finally returned, Tricky Turtle felt shame. "We're glad you're safe," said the rabbit, "but remember, cheating never makes things easier. It only gets you into trouble." The fox nodded. "If you had followed the rules, you might not have won, but you wouldn't have gotten lost either." Tricky Turtle thanked his friends for rescuing him and promised never to cheat again. He realized that honesty and following the rules were far more important than winning by cheating. Moral: if you cheat, you'll get in trouble.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.